which e-ink tablet is actually worth it. Look, I own way too many e-ink tablets. Boox, remarkable, Viwoods, AINOTE 2, you name it. Everyone keeps asking me about specs, but honestly, specs don't matter when you're actually using these every day. Today, let's skip the hype. I'm telling you which ones I'd actually spend my own money on, and which ones are just going back in the box. Rule number 1, the size problem. First, let's talk about the big guys. The Boox Note Max and Tab X are cool, but here's my hot take. I'm not buying a 13-inch e-ink tablet. Why? Because if I'm carrying something that big, I'm just taking my laptop. An Ultrabook gives me a real browser and proper multitasking for the same size. For me, e-ink is all about being light and staying focused. So, the giant tablets? They're pass. 10.3 inches is the sweet spot. Period. For the focus crowd, Remarkable 2 and AiPaper Pro. If you just want to sit down and think, the Remarkable 2 is still the king. It's thin, it's beautiful, and it feels more like a notebook than a computer. It's super simple, maybe too simple. On one hand, you get zero distractions, no pings, no emails, just your thoughts. On the other hand, well, it only does notes. And remember, there's no backlight. It's like it's 1995 again. You need a lamp to see what you're doing. It's still all about that Zen writing vibe. If you hate app stores and just want to write, this is the one. For the readers, Boox Go 10.3. Now, Boox is for the person who looks at a Remarkable and says, cool, but can I run my Kindle app or check my Outlook? If that's you, get the Boox Go 10.3. This is easily the best looking thing Boox has ever made. It's paper thin and intentionally skips the front light to make the screen look super crisp. It's for people who want the Remarkable look but don't want to be trapped in a closed system. For the busy professionals, iFLYTEK, AINOTE, and Viwoods. But let's be real, for a lot of us, just taking notes isn't enough. If your day is a non-stop marathon of meetings, a Remarkable isn't going to save you. You need a tool that actually works. I'll pick the iFLYTEK AINOTE 2 and Air 2. They don't just sit there, they listen. The real-time transcription is a total lifesaver. It's like having a tiny assistant inside the screen. I throw the Air 2 in my bag for cafe work, while the Note 2 stays on my desk for the heavy lifting. What about the Viwoods AiPaper SE03? It tries to do the same AI stuff, but honestly, the AINOTE 2 just feels much better. The Viwoods is clunky. The bezels are huge, the screen looks small, and it's heavy. If I'm paying for a pro tool, I want it to be sleek, not bulky. The reality check, color or black and white. Quick tip, don't buy color just because it's trendy. On the AiPaper Pro or Tab XC, color is just for highlighting or coding, but makes the screen look a bit darker and grittier. If you're mostly reading and writing text, a boring black and white screen like the Boox Go 10.3 or a Note Air 2 is actually much cleaner and easier on your eyes, and also more focused. The final verdict. So, here's my takeaway. 1. Get the Remarkable 2 or AiPaper Pro if you just want to think and write. That's it. 2. Get the iFLYTEK AINOTE if you're a professional who needs to turn meetings into notes without losing your mind. 3. Go with the Boox Go 10.3 if you want the best looking hardware and the freedom to use your own apps. Everything else, it's just noise. What are you guys picking? Let me know in the comments.